Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Now today is another unboxing of a small wireless power bank which works with the MagSafe. This one is from a brand called Trust. I'm not sure if you can find this one online, as in with the previous ones from Vetter that I did in the other two videos. Now again, this one is pretty small. It is a bit different from the other ones. I'm not sure about the quality on it, but it was a bit more, was a bit cheaper than the Vetter ones. The box, as you can see, it does says magnetic wireless power bank, 5000 milliamp for iPhone 12 or higher. It also works with Android phones that have MagSafe compatible cases. So yeah, let's get it out of the box and see what we have inside. This one is a bit more simpler than the other two. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, inside uses manual, the power bank itself, which is quite small, and in this other pocket a USB-C to USB-A charging cable this time, but same as the other ones, just a single physical USB charging port, a USB-C charging port, both input and output. You can charge up the power bank and also charge up devices from the power bank if you don't have MagSafe. Pretty compact in the hand. It is a bit more chunkier than the 5000 milliamp hour variant from Vetter, but yeah, it works pretty much the same way. Power button, LED indicators. Okay, now let's test it out on the phone, see if it works. The power bank is on, attached to the phone, and it does charge up. Okay, let's do it again. Snap it off, snap it back on, charging up the device. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory, and again, a pretty good accessory to have with you when you're traveling and you want to have a to top up your phone in a very quick way, and you don't want to carry on cables and bigger power banks. Yeah, useful, small, compact, and yeah, not much to say about it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, and you can subscribe if you want. I got more reviews coming in these in the coming weeks. So yeah, thank you for watching again, and see you next time. Bye.